Hi everyone, I am Jhansi. Welcome back to our new session with a new topic, that is physical features of India. In the last video, we have discussed about the political divisions of India, and in continuation to that, we are going to discuss about the physical features of India. So what are the landforms? In the previous videos, we have seen the different landforms on the world. But in the present video, we are going to discuss the physical features in our country, that is our country, India. So let us see what are the physical features. Those are the Himalayan Mountains, the Northern Plains, the Peninsular Plateau, the Indian Desert, the Coastal Plains, islands. So, the physical features of our country are the Himalayan Mountains, the Northern Plains, the Peninsular Plateau, the Indian Desert, and the Coastal Plains, and finally it is the islands. So, in this video, we'll learn detailed study about each and every physical feature of our country. So, first we'll start with the Himalayas. So, in this you can see the relief map of our country where the 6 physical features has been shown. So the number 1 which it shows is the Himalayas, the 2 is the Northern Plain, the 3 is the Peninsular Plateau, and the 4 is the Great Indian Desert, and the 5 is the Coastal Plains, and last the islands is 6. So whenever we have a doubt, you can see over this physical map of our country so that you can have a clear glance of how our landform was being. So first we'll go to the Himalayan Mountains. So everyone knows about this. So where was its location? So Himalayas are the Engfold Mountains stretch over the northern borders of India. In short sense, we can say that the Himalayas are located towards the north direction of our country. And these we call as Eng and also Fold Mountains. So, the Himalayas are one of the youngest mountains which were formed before million years ago. And Fold mountains. Actually, we have a different types of mountains. Those are volcanic, fold, plateau, fault block, and dome shape. One among them is this Fold mountains, which was formed because of the colliding of 2 tectonic plates a million years ago. And the Himalayan or the recently formed landform, which is unstable one, with a youthful topography of peaks, valleys, and also fast flowing rivers. So actually, where does this Himalayas are? We said as it is in the north direction. In the north direction, it runs from west to east direction. That is from Indus River, which is located in the west, to Brahmaputra, which is towards the east direction. And the distance which it covers is 2,400 kilometers, and the width is differ from place to place. So the Himalayan mountains width is 400 kilometers at Kashmir, and while it was going on, it was reduced to 150 kilometers in Arunachal Pradesh. From place to place, the width has been reduced. And when we come to the Himalayan mountains, it was actually divided into 3 parallel ranges. Those are the greater or inner or Himadri. The second parallel range is Himachal or lesser Himalayas. And finally, the last parallel range is called as Shivaliks. So just we'll have a glance of these 3 parallel ranges. So as we said, the greater or the inner or Himadri It is the northernmost part of the Himalayas. And as the name indicates, it has the highest peaks in the world. So mostly it consists of the peaks with more than 6,000 meters height. For example, you can see the world's largest peak, Mount Everest, and also K2, Nangaprabhata, Dhaulagiri, Kanchanaganga, Makalu, Namchibarwa, Annapurna, etc. And this greater Himalayas was made with granite and was completely snowbound. Then it comes to the descending range of these Himalayas, it was completely covered with glaciers. So as the name indicates, it has the highest peaks in the world. When we come to the Himachal or Lesser Himalayas, they lie towards the south of Himadri. So these are highly compressed and have altered rocks. So the height of these Himadri ranges from 4,500 meters to 3,700 meters. The width of Himadri, that is width or as it was varying in the Himadri, here the width of Himachal is 50 kilometers. And this Himachal is famous for ranges. Pir Panjal range is the largest range, it is longest range, and also Dhauladhar and Mahabharat are the other prominent ranges. This Himachal consists of valleys of Kashmir, Kangra and Kulu Valley in Himachal Pradesh, and it is famous for hill stations. And the final outermost parallel range is called as Shivaliks. Its altitude is from 1100 meters to 900 meters. Its width is 10 to 50 kilometers. It composed of unconsolidated sediments brought by the rivers. It was generally covered with thick gravel and alluvium. So Shivaliks is famous for dunes. For example, Dehradun, Kotli Dune and also Patli Dune. So not only the parallel divisions, but even we are having the longitudinal divisions from west to east. But in this video we are not going in depth of this, just we have given a glance of these three parallel ranges. And next what we are going to read is about the northern plains. So the northern plains, as it indicates, it was in the north side of our country, formed by the three major rivers. Those are Indus, Ganges and Brahmaputra with their tributaries. So these three rivers are perennial rivers which flow throughout the year. As the birthplace was Himalayas, they have a continuous source of water. And because of this flowing of rivers, they deposit all the alluvial soil at the foothills of Himalayas for millions of years. And also you can see this, it spreads over 7 lakh square kilometers with length of 2,400 kilometers and width of 240 to 320 kilometers. So these northern plains, they were formed because of the three rivers, Indus, Ganges and Brahmaputra and their tributaries. They are formed of alluvial soil because these three rivers, they were flowing at the foothills of Himalayas over millions of years. And it spreads 7 lakh square kilometers with length of 2,400 kilometers and width of 240 to 320 kilometers. So we'll conclude this session until this northern plains, and the other physical landforms will be discussed in the next video. So please like and subscribe and share it for more videos to have a other continuation of this. Thank you.